Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about the advantage of intraday trading compared to a position delivery based trading. So first of all, if you would like to open account with a trader angel broking, you can use this referral link and DRA link also available here. So that account opening is free with angel broking. Now in this video I will cover 9 advantages of intraday trading. First advantage is leverage. So leverage means the extra money which our broker providing to us to take a entry. So means if you have 1,000 rupees in our hand, if our broker is providing 40 times of leverage, means we can take a trade of about 40,000 rupees. So it will help us to make a big profit using our small margin, small amount which we have in our hand. Second advantage is short selling. So in the case of a delivery based trading, we will get a profit only when our stock price goes up. But in the case of intraday trading, we can make a profit even when market is crashing, means going down, by taking a short sell entry. So if you are buying a share at 100 rupees, if you are making a sell entry at 100 rupees and if the share price goes down by 95, we can make a 5 rupees profit through short sell entry. So then third advantage is no overnight position risk. That means as all the trade position is covered by the end of the market hour, no need of worrying in the night what will happening in the market now. So it will help us to reduce our risk to the end of the day. So fourth advantage is risk management skill development. So as position trading need lot of risk management skills, like where to put the stop loss, how much risk factor we can take, and which company where to take the entry, all this thing. This will help in our daily life also to take a good financial decisions, and good risk management skill will get developed. It's a personal skill development then basically. So fifth, one of the prime advantages, no need to study the stock fundamentals. So to make a day entry, we need only to understand about the technical analysis, means what is the moving average, what is RSI, like that basic technical analysis. If we can do, no need of studying about the fundamentals of a company, like what is the growth rate, what is the loan they have, all this thing. Just understand the technical analysis and we can take an entry. Then sixth advantage is it's a regular source of income. So in the case of delivery based trade, we may need to wait for a long time to market to go up to get a profit. But in the case of trading, we can do regularly trading 1 or 2 or as many as possible, and we can make a regular income. All the market working days, we can make a entry and we can make a profit. Then one other advantage is no need of worried about the market news, because nowadays there are a lot of news coming about each stock, like IPO is coming, that is a benefit, all this thing, but most of them are paid news. So in the case of intraday trading, we no need of worrying about all this news or no need of following all the news. We only just to concentrate on our fundamental analysis and our entry position, and we can take a profit out of it. Then eighth advantage is easy entry to stock market. To become a stock market intraday trader, no need of doing all this fundamental research, analysis, no need of help from many people. Only we need to know how to do a technical analysis, and we should have a trading and demat account. That's only we need to do. And it is very easy to do, easy to learn at trading, but it should need some disciplined way of entry, positioning, selection, all this thing. And last point is home based revenue, as we can do trading from anywhere from the world using any internet connectivity. So we can sit in a home and we can do trading activities. No need of worrying about the going to a place to trade, all this thing, consulting with someone, all this thing. So friends, I hope you got understanding about the advantages. If you have any questions, please comment on the comment line, and if you are a first time viewer of my channel, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Finally, thanks for watching my video. See you.